Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Again I am back with the same surveying topic, principles of surveying. So here these are the two basic fundamental principles of surveying which are supposed to be followed while performing any type of surveying. So in that first one is what? To work from whole to part but not part to whole. This is the first one. Coming to the second one, to locate a new station by at least two measurements. What are those two measurements? Linear and or angular from fixed reference point. Now I will try to explain you each fundamental principle. Suppose an area is there. Okay, in this enclosed area I am supposed to survey. So instead of starting from the middle to extend like this, what you have to do is, from the outside, the enclosed area outside portion periphery, you have to fix points which are called as what? Control points. These control points are to be fixed with a high accurate instrument. Okay, high accurate instrument, right? From this, if I start doing survey, I can cover this portion and I can cover this portion. Like this I can come from whole to part, like this, whole to part, but not part to whole. Now what is the thing we are going to do? The thing is, suppose if a mistake is gone from this instrument position, I can perform only this position. Suppose for example, if I started from the middle, what happens? If I start from the middle means anything gets wrong, the whole entire thing should be repeated. For that reason, I am going to fix up a control point, and at each control point I will do individually separate. Okay. Now these control points are fixed by what? High accurate instruments. Now what is going to happen here is, you can decrease the accumulation of errors. Error can be reduced. Okay, that is the reason we'll be going from always work from whole to part but not part to whole. That is the one thing. Now second one is what? To locate a new station by at least two measurements. Now since this surveying is done in horizontal plane, whereas leveling is done in vertical plane. Keep remembering this. Surveying is done in what plane? Horizontal plane. Okay. Now suppose with some fixed reference point we are saying, I have a fixed reference point, let us say A and B. Next I am interested in knowing point C. Okay. If I know linear measurements or angular measurements, I can take. Means suppose I know A to C and I know B to C. Just you have to mark it, do it. That is what? By knowing two lengths we can do it. Fix the point, third point C, and exactly bisection between A to B, perpendicularity I can, it means linear, single linear length I know. Okay. Next one bearing. Okay, like that both angles I know, theta 1, theta 2, like that. Either to fix up a new point with reference to one point, I can fix up a new point by taking linear measurements or angular measurements. This is one of the basic concept of principles of leveling. One is always work from whole to part, and to locate a new station by at least two measurements. Okay. So thank you.